how to share LinkedIn profile. So all you have to do is to open the LinkedIn application, and then here it will look like this. Now on the upper left, you'll see your profile icon there. Click on that. And then here you will see view profile. So under your name, you'll see the word view profile. Click on that. Now here it will lead you to your profile, right? Now here you will see open to add section and a three dots here. Click on the three dots, and here you can see as you can see, you can share your LinkedIn profile by sending profile in a message, share via contact info, and about this profile. So tap on contact info if you wish to copy and paste your LinkedIn link. Now here, as you can see, you can now see your LinkedIn link. Now all you have to do is to just click on that, and it will give you two options such as copy or share via. So since we want to copy and share LinkedIn, all you have to do is to click on copy and then paste it to anywhere you wanna send it or you wanna paste it on. So for example, then all you have to do is to long press on that and then tap on paste and then click on send. Click on send, and basically if they will click on that link, it will lead them to your profile. And basically that's it. That's how you share LinkedIn profile. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.